Hello, members, and welcome to What's Rocking at the Club. Alex, Christian, how are you?
Good, thanks, Stacey.
Wonderful. I've got news. We are reducing our video length by 50%. We're going to give this a go and do this about 4 minutes today.
All right, we should stop chatting. Let's go.
Let's do this. Ready? Go.
All right, let's start this week with great news. The Cabana and Grill is opening on Friday.
That really is great news. So food service will be available for golfers pre, during, and post-golf.
It's wonderful, and you do not have to be a golfer to enjoy the food, the view, and the gorgeous new furniture.
Yes, so come by and grab a seat by the grill on Friday.
Also, and as many of you are doing right now, you can continue to order in advance and come by and pick it up.
And just remember, right now the menu is abbreviated.
That's right. They'll be expanding it very soon. And unfortunately, the pool is not open quite yet.
It will be very soon.
Very soon. And I have just noticed that our new Cabana manager, Adam Nelson, come on in. Say hello.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Pool and Cabana, and very excited to be here and looking forward to seeing everybody starting on Friday.
At this time, as of today, the clubhouse is set to open in March.
We're getting there.
Reminder, members, the YBar is now open.
Beautifully renovated. We're hearing some great feedback.
One of my favorites, the Impossible Pizza, all veggies.
You like healthy pizza?
I don't think there's a pizza I don't like. With that, let's talk 360 pizza. Hey members, welcome to the Pizza Corner. This week's pizza special is a spinach, mushroom, and pepper pizza. It comes with house-made pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, spinach, onions, tomatoes, peppercini peppers, sweet peppers, and Parmesan cheese.
And quick update on upcoming events.
Tonight, Friday 13th, murder mystery show and dinner at Cap Rock Pavilion.
And then Monday is a cooking demo with Chef Stasha.
Citrus brined and Hill Country smoked Thanksgiving turkey.
Delicious. Go ahead and join us in person at Jay's Restaurant.
Or enjoy from your home at Zoom.
And then Baylor Scott and White will bring us another wellness seminar on November 18th.
Allergies, cedar fever should be a well-attended event.
Recap time. I do have to say that the new member dinner was very educational in understanding why new members are choosing the club at Horseshoe Bay.
Yes, and hearing how much they enjoyed meeting fellow members was inspiring.
Absolutely. Alex, let's keep connecting members.
I'm in.
Me too.
The new General Manager of Resort Operations, Serham Tatman, has come onto the scene with a big splash.
Hi, my name is Serham Tatman. I'm the new General Manager of Operations, and it's great to be back at Horseshoe Bay Resort. I used to work at this property before, years ago, and great to be back again at this capacity to be able to provide the best-in-class service for our members, and looking forward to it.
Donna announced a new yoga class.
Gotta love the class name, Yoga for Health and Happiness.
That's right, every Tuesday and Thursday, 7 to 8 a.m.
Little golf tidbit, the route to Appleton is now open. Hey, watch it!
The new fishing and boating program is now underway.
And already very popular with our members.
It is, and it's a fun family activity over Thanksgiving weekend.
I like the way you think. Great idea.
And I heard the fish are biting.
And Thanksgiving, it's coming up.
Be sure to make your Thanksgiving dining in or to-go order early.
And that's right, and don't forget our popular and traditional turkey trot. It's happening.
New formatting with race safety protocols are in place.
So be sure to register online this year.
This week's hidden gem, not so hidden.
And a real gem.
The YBar Clock.
And it's really a great story how this clock arrived to the yacht club from London.
And for all of those details, check out our weekly email or our YouTube description.
Yes, you'll hear about how it will be chiming again soon and keeping time.
Wait, so it's not going to be 5 o'clock here all the time?
Always sneaky, Christian.
Love it. Well, that's it for the week.
And it looks like we're right on time. See you at the club.
Thanks, members.